Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Monday, April 7th, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes closed mixed today amid strong downward volatility. The Nasdaq Composite Index and the Nasdaq 100 posted modest gains, while the healthcare sector fell to a one-year low, down 0.59%. Market breadth shows significant weakness across all tech-related indexes. The Nasdaq 100 saw only 6 advances versus 94 declines. The Nasdaq Composite was similarly weak with just 381 advances against 2,718 declines. Year-to-date performance shows broad weakness. The communication services sector is down 13.6%, while the technology sector has fallen 22.5%. The healthcare sector has shown relative stability, down just 2.3%. Among top performers, Supermicro led with a 10.6% gain. Teradyne and Arista Networks followed with gains of 6% and 5.9% respectively, despite the overall negative trend in tech stocks. Year-to-date, only Supermicro shows positive returns at 8.3%. Teradyne has been hit hardest, down 42%, while Arista Networks has fallen 38%. Leading decliners today, Akamai Technologies fell 3.7% to a one-year low. Apple dropped 3.6%, while Advanced Micro Devices declined 2.4%, marking its third consecutive day at a one-year low. Year-to-date losses are substantial among underperformers. Advanced Micro Devices has declined 30.8%. Apple is down 27.5%, and Akamai Technologies has fallen 25.8%. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed mixed performance with notable volatility. VanEck Semiconductor ETF led gains, rising 2.2% to 184.90. Cubes and Vanguard Information Technology posted modest gains, while experiencing strong downward volatility. All tracked ETFs displayed strong negative trends today. Year-to-date returns highlight significant declines across tech-focused ETFs. 3x bullish QQQ shows the steepest decline at -47.9%, while its inverse, 3x bearish QQQ, has gained 61.1%. Month-to-date, most funds are down around 10–12%, with leveraged ETFs showing more extreme movements.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Amazon and Meta Platforms led gainers, up 2.4% and 2.2% respectively. Microsoft hit a one-year low, closing down for a fourth consecutive day. Apple dropped 3.6%, marking its third straight decline. Year-to-date performance shows significant declines. Apple leads losses at -27.5%, followed by Amazon at -20.1%. Alphabet has declined 21.6%, while Meta Platforms shows more resilience, down 11.8%. Semiconductor stocks showed strong gains today. Blaize surged 12.5%, while Indie Semiconductor rose 11.8%. GSI Technology and Atomera advanced 10.8% and 10.2% respectively. Despite today's gains, year-to-date performance reveals significant declines. Blaize is down 83.3%, while Atomera has fallen 66.7%. Indie Semiconductor shows a 55.8% decline, with GSI Technology down 34.2%. Cloud computing stocks showed resilience today. Dell Technologies led gains, rising 4.7%. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise advanced 4.2%, while Fortinet gained 3.8%, all showing strong downward volatility. Year-to-date returns show widespread losses. SailPoint has declined 74.7%. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise is down 37.6%, and Dell Technologies has fallen 34.9%. Scalar shows relative stability. AI and robotics stocks rebounded today. Symbotic and Teradyne both gained 6%. Mobileye Global rose 3.6%, while Intuitive Surgical added 2.6%. Year-to-date performance shows broad weakness. Teradyne has declined 42.1%. Mobileye Global is down 31.5%. Symbotic has fallen 21.7%, while ASML Holding shows an 11.1% decline. Thematic ETFs showed mixed performance today. Spear Alpha ETF led gains, rising 3.2% to 17.97, showing strong downward volatility. Robotics and Pacer U.S. cash cows growth both hit new one-year lows, amid very strong negative trends across the sector. Year-to-date returns highlight significant declines. AI and Innovation Fund is down 23%, while AI and Technology ETF has fallen 16.7%. Weekly returns show modest gains for Spear Alpha at 3.2%, though this doesn't offset broader downward trends. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed results today. Lucid led gains, jumping 7.4% to 2.45. Tesla fell 2.5% to 233.29, marking its third consecutive down day. NIO hit a new one-year low, dropping 2.8% in its fourth straight decline. Year-to-date performance reveals significant sector weakness. Tesla has declined 42%, while NIO is down 23%. Lucid shows some weekly strength, up 7.5%, though broader negative trends persist across most EV makers. Quantum computing stocks surged today. Archer Materials soared 40.6% to 0.17. Rigetti Computing and IonQ posted strong gains of 11% and 10% respectively. Applied Materials rose 4.6% despite showing very strong downward volatility. Year-to-date returns reflect sector challenges. Archer Materials is down 53%, while Rigetti has fallen 45%. IonQ shows similar decline at 45.5%. Today's gains provide some relief, but haven't reversed longer-term negative trends. Solar stocks showed broad gains today. Shoals Technologies led advances, rising 7.6% to 3.38. Maxion Solar gained 7.1% despite 152 days of flat trading. Vivo Power International added 3.6%, maintaining its strong positive trend. Notable year-to-date performance divergence in solar stocks. Vivo Power stands out with a 178% gain, while Maxion has fallen 60%. Shoals shows recent strength with a 7.6% weekly gain, despite being down 39% year-to-date. In thematic ETFs today, semiconductor funds led the tech segment. First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor ETF topped the list, rising 3.1% to 64.93. iShares Semiconductor ETF and VanEck Semiconductor ETF each gained over 2%, showing very strong downward volatility. Looking at weekly returns, these semiconductor ETFs are showing modest gains, but year-to-date performance reveals significant declines. First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor and iShares Semiconductor are both down about 25% this year, while Global X Cybersecurity has shown more resilience.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.